Today we're going to show you how to make a soothing after sun lotion. To make the lotion, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, an optional teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. We have our aloe in our bowl here, and then we'll just add the rest of the ingredients and whisk them all together. So aloe works in a number of ways to soothe your sunburn. It helps with pain, swelling, and inflammation, and it's full of vitamins, minerals, and trace elements that can help to repair skin that's been damaged by the sun. Witch hazel contains something called tannins, which are great for helping to soothe and heal burned skin. Vitamin E is full of antioxidants and it's very nourishing and repairing for your skin. And we chose to add peppermint essential oil because it gives you a nice cooling sensation, so it will help to soothe the burn. You could also use this gel as a serum for oily skin. The witch hazel and aloe are really hydrating and great for your skin, but they're not overly heavy, so they won't clog pores or be too heavy for oily skin, which generally requires a lighter level of hydration than dry skin. Now we'll transfer our gel to a pump bottle using a funnel. And this might take a little bit more time than, say, transferring an oil because it is a thicker consistency. But if you just tap your funnel and use a spoon to help get it in, it should go in fairly easily. And that's how you make your skin soothing after sun lotion.